According to research, green chilies are said to have natural lactic acid bacteria in them, especially in their calyx, that's the tip of it. And this naturally occurring acid help with curd formation in yogurt making. So to find out if the research is true, we have a cup of milk diluted, and we're going to boil it at low heat for like 3 to 4 minutes, just at low heat. Once it's hot, we'll turn it into a bowl. Then allow it to cool. You keep checking, use your skin as test. Test it on your skin. If it's cool enough, you know your skin will be able to bear the heat. So if it's bearable, it means it's okay to add your starter agent. So I'm tearing it into two because I intend to use lemon too. So at this point, we're going to line the green chili inside the yogurt. Make sure the calyx is inserted into the yogurt. Once you are done, you can cover it properly, then leave in an undisturbed warm place. Make sure it's tightly covered. If you watched the video to this point, it means you enjoy our videos. Don't forget to subscribe and invite others too. So in the second batch, we're going to add slices of lemon. So this is the first slice, and we add another. You can also cover this properly, just like the first batch. Make sure it's tightly covered. Then you keep it in an undisturbed place for 12 hours. So after 12 hours, let's see how the milk has turned. It seems as if it didn't curdle, but particles of curdled yogurt are staying attached to the lemon especially. This means adding more lemon slices would have made the lacto fermentation occur all round. Look at the yogurt is more curdled on the lemon slices. Okay, this is good though. This is good. It means you can use lemon to make your yogurt starter. Okay, let's check the other one with the green chili, the first batch. Okay, this is how it was covered in an oven. Okay, let us uncover it, then see how the milk turns out. Wow, it formed though. Let's have a closer look at it. Yes, the lactobacilli present in the chili has led to the curdling of this milk. This means that green chili can actually help create a starter for lacto fermentation in milk, which leads to yogurt. So yes, you can use green chili as an agent to make your yogurt starter. Wow, look at it's looking thick though. So what we're going to do is use this to make the main yogurt. If you eat from here, it's going to taste let's have a taste of it. It tastes tart though, but with a taste of chili in it. This is good. It's a good yogurt culture. The same thing goes with this. We're going to extract the curd, then use it as a starter, yogurt starter, to make the main yogurt, because as it is now, it tastes zesty. It has this lemon tart taste, which you might not enjoy, and we want to see if it can actually make the main yogurt. So we're going to extract the curd and use it to make yogurt. If you have been watching our video, it means it's interesting. You can try this on your own, and please come back and give us feedback in our comment section. Interact with us. Let's know how yours went too. You are welcome. So see you in our next video. Bye bye.